I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Xcode on your Mac and choose Window then Devices and Simulators from the menu. You will see two tabs labeled Devices and Simulators. Select the Simulators tab and review the list of installed runtimes and device types. Click the plus button in the lower left corner to create a new simulator for testing. Choose a device type, such as iPhone 14, and select an iOS runtime like iOS 17 from the drop-down menu. Give the simulator a name and press Create to add it to Xcode. If the iOS runtime you need is missing, open Xcode Preferences and choose Components. Locate the runtime labeled iOS 17 or iOS 16 and click the download icon to install it. The download displays a progress indicator and may require several minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, quit and relaunch Xcode to refresh available runtimes in the Devices and Simulators panel. You can then create a simulator that matches the newly installed iOS. To run your app on a simulator, select the simulator in Xcode's Run Destination selector and press Run. Alternatively, start the simulator manually from the Devices and Simulators window by selecting it and clicking the play button. Use the Simulator App Hardware menu to rotate the device, simulate memory warnings, and set a custom location for testing GPS. Right-click any simulator in the list to rename or delete it, and remove obsolete devices to keep your environment tidy and efficient for development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.